Taking down these locks are really simple. You can see all I did was take a rat tail comb, pull the little braid out, take some scissors, snip. Of course, I'm gonna be struggling a little bit because I decided to record this. But all you do is after you take that braid out, your own hair, cut the extra hair off, and then you can just pull the crochet lock completely off. And of course, like I said, I'm struggling because I'm filming, right? So just go ahead and watch this really quick. I'm gonna go ahead and do that one more time for you guys and come in a little closer. So rat tail comb, I go in, I move that hair around. If you have a stylist that put it in to make it easier for you to get it out, you'll be able to maneuver that easily. Go in, pull that braid out with that rat tail comb. You see it? Pull that right on out. Then get some scissors, cut off that excess lock, and then you can just pull that right off the braid. And voila, there you go. Easy takedown.